Although the Cars main line hasn't been the greatest, well, the hauler line has been absolutely amazing recently. We got a re-release of Chet Boxcar, which is one of the rarest haulers of all time. We got a re-release of Gil, which actually became sort of rare. And then now we got a re-release of Jerry. Obviously this is his second release now because this is the 2026 packaging. I found an image on your screen of what the previous packaging looks like for 2025. Yeah, they have changed the packaging so much now. It is now just all cardboard. And they're just trying to get rid of plastic, I suppose. But this is really not a good design. Anyways, I got this from my good friend Tom over on Instagram. Make sure you go check him out. Maybe he will sell you some cars if you are in the UK, because this Jerry was actually kind of a really reasonable priced car. I mean, there are some places that are selling it for like £60, but I managed to pay £40 for this one. So yeah, I can't wait to open this one up, because, you know, I will be opening this one up. I don't like this packaging design whatsoever. But yeah, so taking a close look at the packaging now, we can see here he looks really cool in package. Well, the car does anyways. Yep, we can see here the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen render. As you can tell, the headlight, the 95, is under the headlight with Jerry recycling batteries there. We have the barcode if you wish to screenshot, feel free to do so, and the updated Mattel logo for 2026. Here is Jerry, and obviously this is the Vietnam version. Cars logo there, and then when we go to the side, it just says Cars again, Jerry recycling batteries in a bunch of different languages. And also when we go to the back here, we can see a promo image of Jerry, which is actually inaccurate to what the toy does, because if you look here, the back trailer portion, this bit, the wheels like don't go over, but I'll show you guys in a bit what I mean about that. But you can see there, it is completely inaccurate, but it does open up from the front, so really weird design for sure. And we can see the Mattel logo there, and it should say Made in Vietnam there as well. So yep, there is the rest of the package. I guess now all we have to do is open this guy up. Here is the new Vietnam Jerry, all out of packaging, and I gotta say, it is so cool just to see this guy back in the main line. I mean, obviously not the main line, but the hauler main line at the very least. And I just can't wait to take a close look at him. In the middle of your screen is where he appeared in the first movie of Cars. Just an iconic scene was like where he says, "Mac, I ain't no Mac. I'm a Peterbilt, for God's sake. Turn on your headlights, you moron." And ever since then, in Cars 2, McQueen got headlights, and they stuck around for Cars 3, which is a very nice, you know, interesting fact of the day. But yeah, taking a close look at the cab now for Jerry. If I zoom in for you guys, here you can see he has this very nice angry expression. And yeah, I just love how cool he is. It does say Peterbilt there in the middle, and you can see the grille as the nose, these bits on the side, the mouth, which is obviously not painted in, but Mattel never do that anyways. You can see that there, the nose battery there, with cycling batteries on the top. Indicators there on the side. You can see the side here. Obviously, these pieces here are plastic. Very interesting. And it does say they're made in... Where does it say on the base? I mean, we've got the code there. But does it say made in Vietnam anywhere? It doesn't actually. It just says Peterbilt. Oh no, there it is. Right up there. It says made in Vietnam. And it says Peterbilt, because I guess that is the real company of the truck. And Disney Pixar as well. So going over to his, I guess, other release. This is his Toys R Us release. As you can see here, he doesn't have the connector. And then also, if I get move that trailer out the way, and we get the Chinese release here. Yep, there is 3 releases of Jerry recycling batteries. And you can see here how different they all are. This is the original China, Toys R Us, and Vietnam. All the 3 bumpers are different colours here. As you can see, Vietnam one is black, China one is grey, and then the Toys R Us one is like this red, greyish colour. Very interesting stuff, for sure. So let's move this one aside and just quickly compare. I'm going to zoom out slightly so you can get the whole of him in. Very interesting. It still says Peterbilt down there. And obviously I forgot to show you guys the back, which the license plate reads 7BL28. And what does that say above? Our Fair City, I believe is that what it says. If I look on the China one, even then that is still quite rare to look at. Zoom all the way out for you guys. There we go. You can see here the two differences. Obviously this one is very, very dusty because it has been on my shelf for a long time now. I managed to thrift this one at a car boot sale in the UK for £1 back in the day. So I wonder if this is his 2009 release. Let's check the base here. The code on him? No, it doesn't look like he has a visible code. No, it doesn't look like he has a visible code. Interesting stuff for sure. Yeah, there is a look at the cab for the time being. Now I guess we'll leave this in the background and we'll take a close look at his trailer here. So I'm going to zoom all the way out for you guys very quickly, and just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. Is this the Vietnam one? Yep, it is the Vietnam. So yeah, you see what I mean about the wheels? The wheels don't actually move forward because this is the bit that opens up at the front here. God, it's very stiff. But yeah, the front bit doesn't open, like the wheels don't move along like it does in the promo image. You can see here a bunch of batteries, so many batteries, even more batteries there in the back. Really interesting stuff. He doesn't have an extra stand. You see there a code. Do like the side of Jerry, we've got the recycling logo there. Obviously, remember people to recycle. Nice hazards around. We've got the design here, which the squares also look like batteries with the lines here. Like the bricks look like batteries. Lightning bolt, and I can see why McQueen got very confused because he does have a lightning bolt on the side, just like Jerry does. So that is really interesting for sure. The top is just nothing special. On the back we have another battery which is smiling. Again, another logo there. Lightning bolt. Got some, cool stuff here. Again, the license plate there is very small. Then we go to the other side. We got my favourite one. I'm pretty sure everybody loves this one. It is like this battery here, which is like, yep, I know what I'm doing, sort of thing. And that is really cool. Even looks like Peter Griffin with the, well, I'm not even going to say that, but if you know what Peter Griffin looks like, then he looks like Peter Griffin. Even has the glasses. There's the lightning bolt on the side again. Recycling batteries, this time with a triangle, because previously it was a, I guess, circle. But yeah, there is a look at the, trailer. Now I'm going to compare him to the China one here. So I'm going to try and keep this consistent. So Vietnam and China. I'm going to zoom all the way out to one now to get these both in. So yeah, China and Vietnam. The Vietnam one is a lot more vibrant in red, as you can see here, compared to this darker red. Very interesting for sure. Recycling batteries, pretty much the same. Then we go to the back. This is the Vietnam one, I believe. No, this must be the China one. Is this the China one? No, this is the Vietnam one. Wow, that had dust on it already. I saw the dust and was like, really? That's got dust on it already. But yeah, you can see here the massive difference on the back of the trailer, which is very cool. See the colour difference as well. Orange is like a red. And then Vietnam on the top once again. You can see the Peter Griffin. Yeah. That's my best impression of Peter Griffin, if you are interested, guys. But yeah, there is a look at the cab. Now I'm going to try and get these right. I believe this is China. You can connect it up like so, and it does click in. And God, he's got dust on him already. Well, the China one does for sure. So yeah, China, and then we have the Vietnam one here. Okay, this is very stiff, but yeah. There are the two versions of Jerry. You can see them here. look really, really cool. And obviously, well, like I said, there is a third one, which is this one here, the Toys R Us single as a deluxe, obviously back in, I believe, 2016, 2017, just before Cars 3 came out. And a size comparison, here is the 2026 Lightning McQueen. If you are new to the channel, everybody, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Which version of Jerry do you prefer the most? I do like the Vietnam one for sure. And thank you ever so much to Tom for helping me obtain one of these. Until the next video, which will be on the 1st of February of my Everything I Got in January haul. Peace, everybody.